Orange versus balloon. Take an orange and cut it into 2 pieces. Now separate the peel of the orange. Its peel contains liquid. Blow the balloon, take a peel of orange to it and press the peel to pop the balloon. Orange peel contains limonene. Limonene is an exceptionally good solvent for the rubber in balloons. And this chemical is a key to party trick in which you can pop a balloon. Balloon pop magic. Blow a balloon and when you sprinkle petrol drops through your finger in front of the balloon, it bursts. What's the secret? Now drop some drops of petrol from your finger pores in front of the balloon. The balloon would burst within few seconds as it would be stretched thin from the gasoline. Pin versus balloon. Blow a balloon, take a sellotape piece and put it on one side of the balloon. If you touch the pin on the sellotape side, balloon doesn't pop because tape stops the balloon from bursting. Balloon versus fire. Blow a balloon and out lighter, it pops at the same time. But if we put some water inside the balloon and blow it, now it is on fire and it doesn't pop. Why? The water-filled balloon does not burst because the rubber obviously does not reach the high temperature due to the water inside. Water absorbs all temperature and prevents the balloons to burst. Pump for party balloon. Take a balloon and cut the balloon like this. Now take a bottle cap and hole in it. Now put the balloon piece on the hole of the cap by tape which you cut. Take a bottle and hole it in. This hole helps the air to move in and out. Put the cap on the bottle and put a balloon on the cap like this. Now put your finger on the hole of the bottle and press the bottle. As you press the bottle, air goes in the balloon but don't come back due to the cut balloon which we put on the cap. Repeat the process and you can blow all the party balloons without affecting your lungs. For more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel.